may trouble man sa buhay ng isang tao, ang kaya lamang makasira nito ay walang iba kundi ang kapangyarihan ng panalangin. Glory to God! We remember one of the Bible characters, si Jabez o si Jabez. We know that in his life, talagang simula pa pagkabata, he was filled with pain since birth. He had experienced a lot of harm in his life. So, he was really tired of experiencing so much trouble. Kaya, ang ending ng kanyang buhay, kapag hindi niya sikaping manalangin, mamamatay siya na punong-puno ng miserableng karanasan. Pero we praise the name of the Lord because God can always change our miserable life into successful life. Purihin ang Panginoon.